But I want to get back up on that little spot, see if I can find a bigger cobia, come and take my bait. I just saw the fish, so I knew I needed to get a drop on them. But this time I'll cast it straight into that zone, I believe. Pretty sure they were around there. Oh, and I might have just had a hit on the drop. There's another one, and there he is. Got him. That's how it's done. You just got to get yourself in the zone, and you can get those fish. But it's all about using that sounder to your advantage, because fish are everywhere. It's just getting yourself on them. Let's see if we can get this one up in the boat. Definitely another cobia. It's not a bad looking one. Oh, there's another fella with him. Oh, there's two there. Let's get the camera on that. See if we can get him up into this. Get a little underwater shot. How good is that? How good is that? Let's get this one in. He might even be legal. Better get the net. Oh. And if not, we'll send him home. Oh, there we go, bit of strength, bit of muscle. One-handed. Oh no, he's gone down. He ain't done. Oh, come up, buddy. There you are, there he is. Oh, I love these fish, they fight so hard. Come on, turn. In the net. Yes, bud. Yes. Oh, call me captain, please. Because that is how we do it. Oh, sheesh. Nice cobia. Got to be 75 to keep. We'll get him on the measure. I got a feeling this fella might even be dinner. Oh, it's a good life.